Friends, welcome to my video. This video we are going to see about the customer segmentation using the game's clustering algorithm. The aim is to group clusters customers into different categories based on annual income and spending score. Yeah, we will start from the first line of the program. Input pandas SPD. Input matplotlib.py.sblt from sklearn.cluster input k-means. What's happening here? We are going to import the libraries that help us perform different tasks. Line one, input pandas SPD. Pandas is used to work with the tables of data. Input matplotlib.py.sblt. Matplotlib is used to draw a graph. Matplotlib is used to draw a graph from export and the custom input k-means. We are importing k-means because we want to group customers into clusters. The next line, df is equal to p.read underscore csv of mal underscore customers.csv. This line gives a CSV file. Suppose the dataset contains customer ID, gender, age, annual income, spending score. The data is stored inside df. Df means data frame. We have the next line print df of header. df.header. What's happening? The head shows the first files. The head shows the first files. This is used to check whether the file is loaded correctly. Select imported columns. X is equal to df of annual income spending score. What happens? We select only two columns, annual income and spending score. These two columns will be used for clustering. Why only these columns? Because we want to group customers based on income and spending habit. Create k-means model. Model is equal to k-means of n underscore tested is equal to 5 and underscore state is equal to 42. What happens? K-means clustering model is created. N underscore cluster is equal to 5. Create 5 customers to customers and spending. Train the model and predict cluster. PF of cluster is equal to model.fit underscore predict of S. This is the most important line. Fit model.fit learns patterns from the data. Predict model.predict assigns cluster numbers. Fit underscore predict plus both together. Learn data, assign cluster number. Display the data with the cluster PF of DF. Now the dataset contains a new column. Income spending score cluster. Here we can see the output of this program. Customer ID, gender, age, annual income, and spending score. This is the head of the line. Next to the new data, customer ID, gender, age, annual income, spending score. At last, we can see the cluster data. What is scatter plot? The scatter plot displays the points, success, X of annual income, income values, y-axis, X of spending score values, C is equal to DF of cluster. Different clusters give different colors. Here we can see the graph of this program, customer segmentation using k-means. The x-axis is annual income and the y-axis is spending score. Draw cluster centers. PLT dot scatter of model dot cluster underscore centers underscore colon comma 0. Colon comma 0 means first columns. The next word colon comma 1 means second column. Color is equal to red. The marker will be colored as red. X is equal to marker. Marker means this the X symbol. X is equal to 200. What are the cluster center? Each cluster has a center point for the center. K means calculates the center of every cluster. Example, this becomes a centroid. Color is equal to red, center appears in red color. Once all the steps finished, display the final cluster segmentation graph. In one sentence, this program reads the customer data, groups customers into 5 similar categories based on their income and spending behavior using the k-means algorithm, and it displays the group visually in the scatter plot with the cluster centers marked by the red X symbols. This is how we have to Group the customer based on annual income and spending score using the K-means clustering. Thanks for watching.